So recently, we had our first in-person mastermind event, guys, for PT Legends, and I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, guys. And it reminded me of when I first started my business, when I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, to be honest with you. In most cases, when you start something great, you don't know what the fuck you're doing. We're trying to get our stuff in order. We're overthinking the actual action steps. We're looking on YouTube. We're researching. We're waiting for the perfect time. We're waiting for the time where, our boss cuts back the hours, or the perfect time where we can just quit our job 100% and fully go in and commit to our business 8-12 hours per day because we think that's what we need. And guys, what I found is this is exactly what holds us back, is the overthinking and trying to be a perfectionist, right? I see so many new entrepreneurs trying to make everything perfect and not getting anything done, trying to make the perfect product, trying to get trainer eyes together, trying to, get all their ducks in order, for lack of a better phrase, right? Fuck getting all your ducks in order, guys. What I want you guys to know is that when you're overthinking, trying to get the perfect thing, right? You got to understand, first of all, it's never going to be perfect, but this is causing you to procrastinate, for you to delay the actual starting point. And what matters more than anything is just getting fucking started. You understand? And so some ways that you can overcome that, or some ways that helped me, right? I can remember when I first started my online fitness business 6 years ago, I didn't know what the fuck I was gonna do. I didn't know how to make my content perfect. It was really messy. One of my favorite quotes is, I prefer messy success versus perfect mediocrity, right? I knew that I didn't want to be in my job, but I also knew that that was going to take reverse action. It was going to require me doing something different than what I was currently doing. Just drinking some coffee. And so I didn't know what the fuck those things were, but I knew when I made a word, when I give myself a word to do something, I'm going to fucking commit to it, right? So when you guys want to accomplish something great, you have to understand there's going to be a high level of discomfort there, right? And a lot of that discomfort comes from trying to make things perfect, from not knowing what to do because you want to make those actions perfect, but then nothing gets fucking done. And so when you give yourself your word, no matter what, you have to commit to it. You have to make it non-fucking negotiable. No matter what, man. No matter what, you have to commit to your word and do the thing that you said you were going to do, even if it's sloppy, right? So for example, when I had the mastermind event, again, I didn't know what the fuck, how to do it. I didn't hire a coach to teach me how to do an in-person mastermind event, and pretty much everything I've done in my life, I've hired people to teach me how to do, to skip the guesswork. I mean, I did get some advice from my coach and stuff like that, but it wasn't perfect. And I'll be honest with you, the event was fucking epic. It wasn't perfect. There was a lot of mistakes that I made, but I learned from those mistakes. That feedback now teaches me what to do in the next seminar. But I knew that once I posted it on social media, once I told my clients we're gonna have an in-person mastermind event, I knew by putting myself out there and not wanting and committing to not embarrassing myself, to my word, to my brand, to PT Legends, that no matter what, I was going to get it done. I wasn't gonna completely fuck it up. I might make some mistakes, but I'm not gonna completely fuck it up. It's the same thing with your content. This video is raw, unedited, just me speaking. Right? So there's gonna be days where you don't know what to post, or you're trying to get the perfect captions, make it look like Alex Hormozi and my content. Fuck that, guys. Just produce. Just document, produce, and put shit out there and commit to your word, right? No matter what, you have to commit to what you said you're going to do, okay? And the reason I bring this up is because I see way too many people delaying that start time, and every day that you delay your start time, you're delaying that winner chicken dinner. You're delaying your success. You're prolonging it, and you're costing yourself time, frustration, peace of mind, money. Because the faster you get started, the faster you're going to be where you want to be and exit out of the life that you don't want to be in. The faster you can cut off the life that you don't want to be in. Okay? And so when you start something, guys, right? Don't ever not finish something that you start, right? Fuck pleasing everybody else, because that holds a lot of you guys back too. Please yourself, right? Don't ever go back on your word to yourself. It's like Scarface. All I've got in this world is my word and my balls, right? Your word to yourself means more than anything, man. That's gonna dictate your success, is that consistency, and no matter what, implementing, even if it's sloppy. Because I prefer messy success versus perfect mediocrity. Ingrain that fucking quote into your head. I live by that quote. Guys, a lot of the things I did in my business when I first started was sloppy as fuck, but no matter what, I was consistent. The content might have spelling errors. I still constantly send out emails to our mailing list that there's spelling errors, there's grammar issues, you know, I'm cursing, I'm making these mistakes, I send it to the wrong people, but I fucking do it. But I make more than 99% of the whole entire United States. And I'm probably sloppier. Here's what's crazy, right? I make more money than 99% of people who live in the United States, but I'm more sloppy than 99% of them too, probably. Because I'm doing the things that the 1% do, no matter what. It doesn't have to be perfect. We want it to be near perfect as possible, but man, it's never gonna be perfect. And the only way you're gonna do that is if you commit to your goddamn word. It's just like, you know, working out, dude. Like what do you think is gonna get you further with your workout success, with your weight loss success? Showing up and doing the workouts wrong or not showing up at all? The guy that shows up to the gym and does it completely fucking ass backwards is gonna get a lot more results than the asshole who's on YouTube researching fucking workouts all fucking day and not getting his fat ass in the gym, right? Oh, I gotta get the perfect wristbands. I gotta get the perfect gym membership. I gotta make sure that, you know, this is perfect and I gotta make sure my form is correct. Motherfucker, you're never gonna get shit done like that, ever. And that's how a lot of you guys are trying to build a business and build success in your life, is by like trying to get all your fucking ducks in order. And those ducks are exactly why you're stuck. Fuck those ducks, just go. The ducks will get in order by putting things in, by actually doing the action. From the feedback, it will start to make the ducks perfectly put in order over time. So I hope this message hits you guys well, right? I want to start making a lot more content where it's just like, you know, but it all depends on what you guys want, right? So I feel like this is more genuine, more authentic. Fuck the editing, just straight fucking value and tips for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want more stuff like this. It'd really help me. It'll also help you as a result of me producing that content so you can listen to it more. And at the end of the day, again, fuck pleasing everybody else. Please yourself. Commit to your goddamn word. Commit fucking hardcore to what you're going to, what you said, the thing that you want. And just, guys, go balls to the wall, man. And you can have anything you want in life. Anything you fucking want. Promise you that. So I hope this video helped again. Let me know in the comments if you guys want more content like this. Just real, raw, straight up truth and fucking value. And yeah, have a great day, legends. Peace.